Let me introduce you to the HeliTube, an ocean current energy conversion system that'll extract clean, renewable energy from the oceans. A HeliTube is a long, water-filled balloon that rotates with the current. There are ocean currents all around the world. For example, along the eastern seaboard of the United States flows the Gulf Stream. The energy content of the Gulf Stream exceeds the energy demand of the eastern United States by a factor of 100. Let's see how we may be able to capture some of that. Several miles off the Florida coastline, we will go out and install an anchor block onto the ocean floor, secure it in place, and stretch a drag line 20 miles down current. We'll secure a power module onto this drag line. A HeliTube will emerge from the power module and, using a reverse osmosis pump, fill the HeliTube with fresh water, making it more buoyant than the surrounding ocean. As the HeliTube rotates, we will drive electricity and high-pressure salt water down the drag line to the anchor block. We can attach several power modules and additional HeliTubes onto the same drag line. Now let's bring this tower ashore. First, we'll install several more HeliTube arrays. We will build a power plant up on the shoreline, install an inlet pipe connecting our HeliTube arrays, and when the currents rotate our HeliTubes, they will drive electricity and high-pressure salt water up to our plant. Inside the plant, we can install a water turbine generator, hook it up to the electrical grid, and when the water flows through the turbine, export electricity off the site. We'll install a heat exchanger and run a domestic water line into the heat exchanger, exporting chilled water off-site. Finally, we'll install a discharge pipe returning our salt water to the ocean. What's our power output? 4,000 HeliTubes, 750 kilowatts each, 75% recovery, 2,250 megawatts. For a turbine generator, 12-foot diameter pipeline, 10 feet per second, 500 psi pressure, we can generate 103 megawatts. We'll run our cooling system at 500,000 gallons per minute, temperature differential of 20 degrees Fahrenheit, and generate 750 megawatts of cooling. In total, our HeliTube power plant will produce 3,100 megawatts of power. In comparison, Hoover Dam, 2,000 megawatts. China's Three Gorges Dam, 22,500 megawatts. If we were to install HeliTube power plants up the eastern seaboard, every 20 miles from Miami up to Norfolk, that would be 40 plants, and they would generate 124,000 megawatts of power. And of course, that's only the beginning. In summary, it's all about the money. What's this going to cost? Well, we have an anchor block, a 20-mile drag line, power modules, 100 of them, HeliTubes, 400 of them, HeliTube arrays, 10 of them, an inlet pipe, some industrial buildings and a large site, some gensets, transmission lines, heat exchanger, chilled water lines, discharge outfall. Total cost, $2.25 billion. We'll secure a $250 million loan, spend $250 million a year operating the plant for a total annual cost of $500 million. We can produce 25 billion kilowatt hours of power a year at only 2 cents a kilowatt hour. Well, we can sell it for 6 cents a kilowatt hour. We can stop global warming. We can end the oil crisis. And we can save our planet. Would you like to join the team? We need to hire over 250 people. Team leaders, engineers, office staff, programmers, salesmen, craftsmen. You will? That's great. We're on the web. Send us your resume at highcon.us. Thank you.